Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Auxly Cannabis and FSD Pharma. Auxly canceled their contract with FSD Pharma. I'll talk about it later. But before I begin, I want to talk about Haiduk. I can't even say that, but I hope I said that right. It's a sour tangy strain. This is one of my favorite strains that's on the market. I love the smell of it. I also like the taste of it. I will probably get more of this product in the future. This is one of my top favorites. Maybe one day I'll gather all my top favorites in a row and then just announce them from like the best to the worst. Auxly terminates joint venture with FSD Pharma after identifying contract breach. So this is the big news that happened today for Auxly and Huge of FSD Pharma. They were developing a 220,000 square feet. They put about $7.5 million into development already, and now it's February and the contract is canceled, so they're no longer developing that facility. So in the course of the company's effort to advance JV facility development, it's identified contract breaches related to FSD Pharma management and staff, I can't say that, of the JV facility, as well as significant concern regarding certain aspects of the building. This is the biggest one. Significant concerns regarding certain aspect of the building. So the building is not really meant to grow cannabis, and there's a problem with the building, and they don't like the problem with the building. And so, that's the biggest concern. So, like, what are they going to do? They bought this building that, they can't really build out of. And they only have about 50,000 square feet to work out of. It's really, really bad. Especially when they already spent $7.5 million on construction. It's not good at all. FSD Pharma clearly, if you look on the balance sheet, does not have $55 million to continue the construction of the project. I don't know how FSD Pharma is going to get out of this. I sold out all my stock today. It's horrible. It's really bad. I think it's really bad. I personally think it's really bad. I don't know about you guys. I think it's really bad. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think it's really bad. Today is Huge. Huge went down 16%, 5.5 cents. I'm not gonna buy this stock. I don't care. I sold out at 28 cents. I just didn't care. I just sold it. Don't want to gamble on something that just have like absolute uncertainty to it. Oxley. I kept my shares. I was gonna think of buying more. I'm hoping it drops because Oxley still has a lot of cash. Now that they canceled that project, they got like probably back like $40 million of cash or more than that. So they have a lot of cash. Cash is king in this industry. So it's a good sign that they have cash, because I'd probably sell off their stock too. But I'm gonna keep on Oxley. I'm selling out my Huge position. I'm no longer investing in Huge. I don't care if they go to the moon. I'm not gambling on that company. So today the market was down. It's in the red. Everything's red, even gold. Usually gold pops while everything goes down. But today everything is having a correction. It's pulling back. I don't know if this is a trend that's gonna keep going but I don't know. I think that the market needs to pull back a little bit more before it pops. Just my opinion, though. Shopify. I did a put option on Shopify, and I'm losing right now. But that's the gamble I made. We'll see if Shop drops like a rock. Hopefully I make a lot of money. We'll see. Canopy Growth. Canopy bounced today, and then now it's falling back. It's only up 1.66%. I'm shocked. I thought it was gonna pull back today some more, but you know, it's bouncing. It's not bouncing that much, but Canopy is already like extremely overvalued. $21 billion company. It's already traded 1 million shares today. 1 million shares is, it's okay. It's only been an hour about an hour and a half into the market, and 1 million is actually pretty decent. Aurora is also trading at a pretty decent volume too, 11 million. It seems about a little bit stronger than yesterday. It's not as strong as, you know, this day, but it seems a little bit stronger. So the volumes might be picking back up depending on how things end out for the day. But I'm thinking that volume is going to be picking back up slightly today. This is just my guess. Aurora had a nice run in the morning. It had a nice pop in the morning, and now it's like kind of just trading sideways a little bit. We'll see if it continues or it's gonna trend down. Kind of a little shocked. I honestly didn't think it would do that, but it did. So, oh well. Maybe that other guy is right. Maybe Farm was right, and earnings is going to be positive, and the stock is going to rally. And by February 15th, when Canopy announced earnings, the stock will be traded above between $11 to $12. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not that bearish. I mean, I'm not that bullish, but if I was to gamble on that, I'd probably do a call option. Because that way, if he's wrong, I don't lose that much money. If he's right, at least I make some money. So, actually, I can make a pretty decent coin if I gambled right on that. But, yeah, so, Kron had a nice bounce today. And it's kind of like trading flat right now. Volume is pretty decent. It seems to be better than yesterday, but not the day before that. We'll see if this continues or this is gonna ramp down near the end of the day. I'm thinking that it's gonna pull back a little bit. I don't think that it's gonna continue. I think this is just my opinion. This is my opinion, but I think that this is a bear trap. So that's what I think, but no, I could be wrong, and this is, you know, the start of a rally. Tilray kind of did have a bounce today, but now it's pulling back. I think if Canopy pulls up and Aurora pulls up, I think Tilray is going to pull up too, so it could bounce back to like $85. But that, yeah, that's just my opinion. That's what I think. T-God, the Green Organic Dutchman, had the same pattern, popped. Now it's kind of pulling back. If Aurora and Canopy rally on earnings, if Aurora goes to $11+ and Canopy somehow goes back to like $65, $66, I think T-God could go back to close to $4. Just my opinion though. So I mean, things could not work out that way, but that's what I think. I think T-God's just gonna follow these stocks if the market, if both Aurora and Canopy rallies next week instead of decline on earnings. Hexo is the same thing. I think Hexo is just gonna trade flat. I think worst case scenario, like, you know, if Aurora and Canopy rallies, definitely seeing Hexo surpassing $7.79. From my experience, the market kind of runs together. So if the really big players run up, the smaller players will run up, but the really small players can vary. So yeah, that's how I think that's how I think things work in the cannabis market. Namaste. Namaste is on bad news right now, so it's kind of trading the opposite way. We'll see if this continues, or this goes up, or this disappears. I know I'm no longer a shareholder in Namaste. I sold all my shares. I could buy back in now, but I'm not, so. Madman. You know, they had a piece of news today where they sold a piece of real estate. Yeah, for $18.4 million. So they can, you know, use that money to continue their business. Twitter had earnings today in the morning, and the stock dropped 10%, but then Snap and Facebook did not follow Twitter. And looks like it kind of is following Twitter a little bit. Facebook a little bit, but not too much. Activision Blizzard, for some strange reason, it's popping. I watched the video where a bunch of people put call options on Activision. That's probably helped propelling the stock up. EA is the shocker. I was gambling on EA going down more, but then I saw it going up, so I tried to sell out of my position, my put position, so I can get away with at least, you know, some good profits. So I sold out. I sold out at, I think, 170% gains. I think so. I'm not 100% positive. I could have sold out at 300% gain, but I gambled on possibly the stock going down even further, and I saw it rally today, and I tried to sell out. I tried to sell in the morning. It didn't work. It kept going up, so I just like, fuck it, I'm gonna sell out now. I don't care what price I get it at. I just want my profits. I sold out, and then the stock continued to rally, so I did a good move there. But now it's pulling back. Could do that put option on it. I'm still very, very bearish on EA. I think it's just doing it like a dead cat bounce, and I think it's gonna head back down to $80. So I could do another put option on it, but you know, I'm still deciding. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do at the moment. Canopy growth on the US side not pulling up very well. Same with Aurora. A little bit better than Canopy, I guess, in percentage wise. Before I go, I just wanted to say that the US dollar is up on the Canadian currency. I could go onto my I could go and transfer the money now, or I could wait for another penny and then go up to maybe 134. I'm not too sure yet. If you guys want to comment below, please do. Let me know what you think. Because right now is, you know, I think could be a pretty good time to transfer the US dollars into Canadian dollars. It could go up another penny. It could go up to another 5 pennies. I'm not sure. Let me know in your comments down below. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And have a great day. Bye.